So we're gonna make the bit of a pickle. This is Crue's favorite drink.
My favorite drink.
You're gonna take cucumber and do 3 slices. Perfect. And now we're gonna put those slices in here and give one hand. And do it again. All right, starting with you. 5 cranks. Turn it upside down and crack, crack. Beautiful. Pass it on down the line. Some fresh dill.
My favorite.
Yeah.
Delicious.
So we're gonna get a nice little pinch, maybe about that much or so.
Okay.
All right, muddling.
This is a muddle.
Muddler. We're gonna
Muddler.
smash some cucumbers.
Gonna we just go for it? Oh, you need one too.
Give me one. Give me one.
Use your hands.
Yeah. Smash it in there.
Okay, this could get loud.
Wait till we start shaking. All right. Next step.
Okay.
You good? Now, yeah, cool. Tap your thing off, set it in there. Yeah. First, see that balsamic bottle?
Yep.
Grab that bad boy. In here, you have these little lines, see that? We're gonna do just below that 1/4 ounce of the white balsamic.
Okay.
All right, so this is lemon juice I squeezed this morning and simple syrup. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of each.
Okay.
So that middle line
Yep.
right there, just perfect on the line, so they're both the exact same measure. When you're making cocktails like this, it's all about balance. So if you add a sour, add something sweet to balance it out. If you add something bitter, balance it out with something else. All right, so we've got our lemon juice and our simple syrup in there. Last thing we need is our gin. So we're gonna flip our jigger over
Okay.
to the big side, and that's 2 full ounces to the top. So we want 2 ounces of gin. So fill that thing up and splash it right in there.
And what kind of gin is this?
This is a Heyman's Old Tom gin.
Delicious.
Hey, that's it. So now, get some ice.
Easy.
Hannah, this one's you. We're gonna turn it over, give it a nice little
I don't think I've ever done
Dump.
this, but I've seen it done.
this for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, take it. Keep going. All right, stop.
You have to do it a lot. I know that.
Because we're chilling and diluting. So now, you can see where it's kind of an oval. We want to go at about 9, 10 o'clock and give it just a little whap with your palm. Right where that kind of opening is, right here. Yep. And then you'll feel it kind
Oh,
of
yes.
pop open, just like yours did.
Then we can pop it.
Yep. If it's good, boom. Perfect.
It's all about the glass.
Yep.
For me, a cocktail in the wrong glass is ruined.
Do you know what kind of glass this is?
Coupe glass. You taught that to me.
All right, and then you're going to hold that on top with your finger, and we're going to pour it right through our little tea strainer into the glass. So flip this over,
Like
that.
Like this.
Boom, nice and secure. Yep, nice and secure right there. With your other hand, you're holding that over your glass.
You need big hands to be a bartender.
Just pour it in there and let all that yummy juice drip out. Get our dill back out.
Yeah, for a
Get
little.
yourself a
Garnish.
cute little toffee sprig. Just plop it right on there. Bloop.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Gorgeous.
This drink looks like you. Pretty.
Thank you, Hannah.
And there you have the bit of a pickle.
All right, cheers.
Cheers to you
A
all.
bit of a pickle.
Bit of a
I
pickle.
love it. Cheers. It's
Cheers.
bad luck. Yeah, it's so good. It tastes like
It's
Savannah.
fresh.
Delightful.
It tastes southern.
It tastes like a fresh homemade pickle.
Really, really good.